What's up, people? With the hurricane stuff going on, it's not affecting me. I live in Pennsylvania now. Um, for everybody that's being hit by the hurricane, I hope everybody's okay. I hope everybody's safe. And what else I wanted to say? I wanted to say something else too. And if they're telling you to evacuate, y'all need to evacuate. There does not need to be anybody losing lives over this. So hope everybody's in a safe place. Hope everybody's okay. Hope everybody is fine and whatnot. How to evacuate safely. What to take along. This is from the Today Show. So yeah.
We talk about surviving the storm, which is, of course, incredibly important. But this morning I want to talk about surviving the evacuation, because when you have so many people leaving at once, we've seen those pictures of massive traffic jams. It can be incredibly challenging. We came up at a chopper here over Miami this morning to give you a bird's eye view, and I want to take you to a live picture outside. What are you seeing? You're seeing something that our chopper pilot says is incredibly eerie and you never see here in Miami. It is a ghost town down there, barely anybody on the roads. And here's why. I've been talking to a lot of people here in Miami
This is
over
crazy.
the past 24 hours who are telling me they are staying home from work today. They are not coming into Miami, boarding up their homes, packing up, and today is decision day. Today is the day that a lot of people are going to get out of here before the storm, before they get stuck. So you can expect big traffic jams later tonight. This morning, we're about to show you how to evacuate fast and safe.
So you seen a video? I think Puerto Rico or something like that.
As
They
Hurricane
don't
Irma
have no
bears down,
water.
officials
It's
in
crazy
Florida
for
are
real.
sounding the alarm, ordering mass evacuation.
No, I think it's the
You're told to
Bahamas.
evacuate.
Is it the Bahamas?
Get out
I think.
quickly.
But that's
Wait,
easier said than done.
it's somewhere
Take a look at this.
over there,
Long lines
but
at
they
just
don't
about
have no
every gas
water.
station.
They have
In
no
some
water
places,
whatsoever. It's
hours
crazy.
long.
It's been a nightmare.
A nightmare.
I've been in lines for an hour and a half, and by the time that I get there, I get nothing.
You can't go anywhere because you have no gas.
I have to stay home.
There was a line of cars at this gas station that literally wrapped around blocks and blocks, but the gas station just ran out of gas, so they're pulling the pumps out. They're out of gas here. It's happening across so many gas stations here in Florida today. So now all of the cars, all of those people who are waiting and waiting and waiting, now have to go back in line at another gas station.
Then there's the traffic. Highways packed with cars trying to get out. The evacuation itself can be dangerous. During Hurricane Rita in 2005, at least 100 people died. Not during the storm, but during the evacuation. Many running out of gas and dying of heat exhaustion.
So if you're evacuating and stuck in gridlock traffic, here's the question. Do you run the engine and the air conditioning, or do you conserve fuel? Experts say your best bet is to run the car, and you can run a little AC, for about 10 minutes every hour. And it doesn't have to be the same 10 minutes altogether. You can scatter it. And experts say that should be enough to keep you cool, but also keep your car running longer.
But before you even leave your home, your evacuation checklist begins.
Backpack on.
The King family lives in Key Biscayne, packing up now and leaving today.
Don't have a suitcase?
But that's not enough. Experts say you need a go bag, stuffed with a few everyday items you may never think of.
Do you have one of these? A first aid kit.
You know what? No, we don't.
Nobody carries the first aid kit.
Always need those, especially after the storm.
Bottled water. Have you packed bottled water?
Yes.
Good, good. You pack bottled water. Portable flashlights, and some of them come with the batteries with them. Extra batteries, that's the other thing. Perfect.
That's the key.
More flashlights, granola bars.
Definitely.
Now, here's something else that may not be as obvious. Your medications. You're going to grab your medications because you don't know how long you're going to be gone. Get
Don't nobody
cash
think about
out of
that.
the ATM machines today while they're still working, because if electricity goes out, the bank ATMs may not work, credit card machines won't work in the stores, and you're going to need cash to buy the essentials.
Absolutely right.
So go to the ATM. They got some cash. And they're important documents. You don't think about those either. Your will, birth certificates. Get it into a waterproof bag and bring it with you. Don't keep it in the house.
No, it's not, because you don't know if the house is going to be there when you come back.
So hope it helps. We're giving all this to you. It's yours.
Thank you.
Evacuation tips as the traffic builds and gas dries up.
Hope everybody evacuate safely.
All right, so we have a couple of other tips for you as well. What you want to do is go to the store today and get one of these. It's a mobile phone charger. And by the way, I got this here in Miami. There are still some available in stores, just in case all the electricity goes out. You can communicate. And And there's something else. If all the cell towers go out, there's a really cool smartphone app, and it's free, guys. It's called Zello. A lot of people use it during Hurricane
Yeah, that's
Harvey.
on.
If the
That's
cell
number
towers
one. I
go
think that's
out,
like number
it
one and number
acts as
two
a
in the App Store.
walkie-talkie, so you can get in touch with people in the area. People were actually rescued in Harvey from this. So ahead of Irma, Zello may help a lot of people here too.
Good tips, Jeff. Thank you.
Keep that in
Hello,
mind.
today, fans. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking that button down there, and click on.
I'm not even gonna ask for. I'm not gonna ask for no likes or anything. But hope everybody's evacuating safely, safe and sound. You know, hope everybody is cool and whatnot. Hope everybody watches this video because of the things that you need, like a safety kit. Nobody carries a safety kit. Water, of course, but gas. Run out of that. You just seen that. So I hope everybody's safe and sound. Yeah, that's all I have.